Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Love spicy honey chicken? Then this honey sambal chicken is for you. Savory, sweet, hot and spicy with a touch of lime. Easy and full of flavor. We need 1 small red capsicum, also known as bell pepper. Remove the stem and seeds. Use a small sharp knife to remove the pith. We're just going to roughly chop them into cubes. Next, we need a small brown onion, also roughly chopped. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon or lime juice. For garnish, some spring onions, also known as scallions. 700 grams of boneless and skinless chicken thigh fillets, chopped into chunks. Season the chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Give it a mix. I should have used a larger bowl. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Heat over high heat. Then add the chicken. Layer it at the base of the pan to let it brown. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes untouched to let a crust form. This is looking good. We want to keep cooking the chicken until it's brown all over. Perfect. The oil is clear and the chicken has browned nicely. Remove them onto a plate. Reduce the heat to medium-high. Then add 3 minced garlic cloves into the same pan. Time for the onions. Let's also add the capsicums. Stir fry until the vegetables have softened slightly. Add 1/3 cup of honey. 2 tablespoons of light or regular soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sambal. You can swap with your favorite chili sauce. Check out my description for the link to sambal below. We want to cook the sauce until it thickens slightly. It should just coat the spoon. This looks good. Return the chicken to the pan. Cook just until the chicken is warmed through. Then stir in the lime juice. Have a taste and adjust seasoning if needed. There you have it, so simple and delicious. This goes best with lots of rice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. Have a fabulous day.